Appearance and flushing demonstration of single-hole Vortex flush wall-hung toilet. This toilet adopts wall drainage with a rough-in distance of 180 mm. Toilet dimensions, 5403-55355 mm. Crafted from ceramic fired at 1280 C. The frameless design prevents dirt accumulation, enabling effortless hygiene maintenance. Wider seat ring for enhanced comfort. It features full process low decibel ultra quiet flushing, with a noise level of only about 30 decibels. The single-hole Ultra Vortex flushing system provides 360 full coverage, with powerful flushing performance. Blue ink flushing test. 30-piece plastic bottle cap flushing test. 12-piece tissue flushing test. 200 pp ball flushing test. The easy quick detach cover facilitates convenient and hygienic cleaning, while the soft closing mute cover descends slowly without noise.